Good morning class. Today we will discuss the topic complement of a set. To find the complement of any set we must have a universal set, because without universal set we cannot find the complement of any set. Students, do you know what is the universal set? Universal set. A set consists of all the elements occurring in a problem under consideration is called the universal set. It is denoted by capital U. Now we will come on the topic complement of a set. A set consists of all the elements of the universal set which are not elements of set A is called complement of set A. It is denoted by A bar. It read as A complement or A bar. So these are some formulas. For example, A complement is equal to U minus A, B complement is equal to U minus B, C complement is equal to U minus C. Students, if you observe in this formula, this shows that which set we will find the complement, that set we will subtract from the universal set. In this formula, U is a universal set and A, B and C are subset of the universal set. Now I will explain this method by the following example. If U is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Class, this is the universal set, please remember it. A equal 1, 3, 5, B equal 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then find number 1 A complement, number 2 B complement, number 3 A complement minus B complement, number 4 A minus B whole complement, number 5 A complement whole complement, number 4 B union B complement, number 7 U complement, number 8 phi complement means complement of the empty set. Now we will solve its first part, that is A complement. A complement is equal U minus A. Class, this is the formula to find the A complement. Then A complement is equal to member of the universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then minus sign. Then member of the set A 1, 3 and 5. In this step we will find the difference. Then the difference is the set of all the elements of set U which are not in set A. Then A complement will come with members 2, 4 and 6. So class, according to these steps, you can find the complement of any set. Now its second part, that is B complement. B complement is equal to U minus B. This is the formula to find the B complement. Then B complement is equal to member of the universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus sign. Then member of the set B 2, 3, 4 and 5. In these steps we will again find the difference between set U and B. Then B complement is equal to 1 and 6. Now we will solve its third part, that is A complement minus B complement. This part we can solve by 3 steps. Number 1. In the first step we will find A complement, that I have already explained in part 1. So this is the solution of A complement. So A complement is equal to 2, 4 and 6. In the second step we will find B complement that I have already explained in part 2. So this is the complete solution of the B complement, that is equal to 1 and 6. So in the third step we will find the difference between A complement and B complement. Then A complement minus B complement is equal to member of the A complement set 2, 4 and 6 minus sign, then member of the B complement set. So the difference will come is equal to 2 and 4. Now its fourth part, that is A minus B whole complement. This part we can solve by two steps. In the first step we will find A minus B. So A minus B is equal to member of the set A 1, 3, 5 minus sign, then member of the set B 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then A minus B is equal to 1. Class, this is the first step. In the second step we will find the complement of A minus B. So A minus B whole complement is equal to U minus A minus B. This is the formula to find A minus B whole complement. We are finding here A minus B whole complements. That's why we will subtract A minus B from the universal set. So A minus B whole complement is equal to member of the universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then minus sign, then member of the set A minus B 1. Then A minus B whole complement is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So only these members are not present in set A minus B. So this is the complement of A minus B. Now its fifth part, that is A complement whole complement. This is the property of the complement, that is A complement whole complement is equal to A. This property we can solve by two steps. In the first step we will find A complement. So this is the solution of A complement. So the result of the A complement is equal to 2, 4 and 6. So this is the first step. In the second step we will find the complement of this set. Now in second step, A complement whole complement is equal to U minus A complement. Then A complement whole complement is equal to member of the universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus sign, then member of the A complement set 2, 4 and 6. So A complement whole complement is equal to 1, 3 and 5 because only these members are not present in set A complement. So these members are equal to set A. The result shows that the members are equal to the members of the set A. It means that left hand side is equal to the right hand side, hence proved. Now its sixth part, that is B union B complement. This is the property of the complement, that is B union B complement is equal to U. This property we can solve by two steps. In the first step we will find B complement. So this is the solution of B complement that I have already explained in the previous slide. So the result of the B complement is equal to 1 and 6. So class, this is the first step. Now we will find its second step. In the second step, we will find the union of B and B complement. So B union B complement is equal to member of the B set, then union sign, then member of the B complement. So B union B complement is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the result shows that the members of the B union B complements are equal to the universal set. It means that left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Now its seventh part, that is U complement. This is also a property of the complement, that is U complement is equal to the empty set. So this property we can prove by the following solution. So U complement is equal to U minus U. In this formula, actually we are finding the U complement, that's why we will subtract universal set from the universal set. So U complement is equal to member of the universal set minus sign, then member of the universal set. So complement of the universal set is equal to empty set. Result shows that U complement is equal to empty set, means that left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Now its eighth part, that is phi complement. Phi complement means complement of the empty set. This is also a property of the complement, that is phi complement is equal to universal set. So this property we can prove by the following solution. Phi complement is equal to U minus empty set. This is the symbol of the empty set. That is equal to member of the universal set minus sign, then empty set. So the result will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the result shows that the member of the complement of phi are equal to the members of the universal set, means that left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Class, this is your homework. Thank you for watching.